Neem leaves uses and benefits. Why neem leaves are called the nature's pharmacy. Neem leaves, known as the nature's pharmacy in worldwide, have long been celebrated for their remarkable medicinal and therapeutic properties. Derived from the neem tree, Azadirachta indica, these vibrant green leaves are packed with over 140 active compounds that offer a multitude of health benefits. While their use spans centuries, modern research is uncovering new ways neem leaves contribute to well-being. This video delves into the scientifically backed benefits of neem leaves, supplemented with real-life case studies and user experiences. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Just one more thing. If you're over 50, be sure to watch this video until the end. And if you're under 50, don't skip it. This information can truly help you live a longer, healthier, and disease-free life. Number 1. Natural immunity booster. Neem leaves are a powerhouse of bioactive compounds such as nimbin, nimbolide, and quercetin, which are known for their immunomodulatory effects. Regular consumption of neem leaf tea or extracts strengthens the body's defense mechanisms against infections. A study conducted in 2022 by the Indian Journal of Immunology observed 120 participants who consumed neem leaf capsules daily for 6 months. Results showed a significant reduction in seasonal flu occurrences, with 85% of participants reporting improved immunity. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The anti-inflammatory properties of neem leaves make them effective in managing conditions like arthritis and acne. Neem's antibacterial action combats harmful bacteria, making it a go-to remedy for skin and oral health. Anita, a 34-year-old homemaker from Jaipur, India, shared her experience using a neem leaf paste to treat persistent acne. Within 2 months, her breakouts reduced significantly and her skin texture improved. She attributes her success to the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects of neem. Number 3. Detoxification and blood purification. Neem leaves are traditionally used to detoxify the blood, supporting liver health and promoting clear skin. Consuming neem leaf juice or supplements helps eliminate toxins, contributing to overall vitality. A clinical trial published in 2021 in the Journal of Alternative Medicine highlighted neem's role in reducing liver enzyme levels in individuals with mild liver dysfunction, emphasizing its detoxifying effects. Number 4. Oral health benefits. Chewing neem leaves or using neem-based oral products like toothpaste and mouthwash helps combat plaque formation, gum inflammation, and bad breath. Neem's antifungal properties also aid in preventing oral infections. Dr. Rajiv Kumar, a dentist in Delhi, reported a 40% improvement in gum health among patients who switched to neem-based oral care products. Patients noted fresher breath and reduced gum sensitivity within weeks. Number 5. Anti-Diabetic Potential. Neem leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing glucose absorption in the gut. This makes neem a valuable natural aid for managing diabetes. Ramesh, a diabetic patient from Bangalore, incorporated neem leaf capsules into his routine. Over 3 months, his fasting blood sugar levels dropped from 180 milligrams per dl to 140 milligrams, alongside dietary and lifestyle changes. Number 6. Hair and scalp care. Neem leaves' antifungal and antibacterial properties make them effective against dandruff and scalp infections. Boiling neem leaves and using the water as a rinse promotes healthy hair growth and combats hair fall. Priya, a working professional from Mumbai, struggled with severe dandruff. After using neem leaf water for 2 months, her dandruff issues resolved and her hair regained its natural shine. Number 7. Wound healing and skin care. Neem leaves accelerate wound healing due to their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. They are also effective against eczema, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. A 2020 study in Dermatological Advances found neem leaf extract to significantly improve wound healing in animal models, reducing healing time by 30%. Number 8. Anti-cancer properties. Emerging research suggests that neem leaves contain compounds that exhibit anti-cancer properties. These compounds induce apoptosis, cell death in cancerous cells without harming healthy cells. A study published in Cancer Letters in 2020 revealed that neem leaf extract inhibited the growth of breast cancer cells in vitro, highlighting its potential as an adjunct therapy for cancer treatment. Number 9. Improved digestive health. Neem leaves can support digestive health by reducing inflammation in the gut, promoting a healthy microbiome, and addressing common issues like acidity and ulcers. Neem's antibacterial properties also help combat harmful pathogens in the digestive tract. Vikram, a 45-year-old businessman from Pune, shared how drinking neem tea twice a week helped alleviate his chronic acidity and improved his overall digestive health. Number 10. Mosquito repellent and insect control. Neem leaves have been traditionally used as a natural insect repellent. Burning dried neem leaves or using neem oil helps keep mosquitoes and other insects at bay. In rural India, families often place neem leaves near windows and doors to prevent mosquito infestations, reducing the risk of mosquito-borne diseases like malaria and dengue. Number 11. Antiviral properties. Neem leaves have shown promise in combating viral infections, including common colds, herpes, and certain strains of flu. Their bioactive compounds inhibit the replication of viruses and enhance the immune response. A 2019 study published in Virology Research demonstrated neem leaf extract's efficacy in reducing herpes simplex virus activity, highlighting its antiviral potential. Number 12. Anti-Parasitic Applications. Neem leaves are effective against intestinal parasites and worms. Regular consumption of neem leaf tea or powder can help cleanse the digestive system and prevent parasitic infections. In Ayurvedic practices, neem leaf powder is often prescribed to individuals suffering from intestinal worms, with noticeable improvements within weeks. Number 13. Environmental benefits. Beyond personal health, neem leaves contribute to environmental health. Neem trees improve soil quality, and neem leaf compost enhances plant growth while acting as a natural pesticide. Neem's air-purifying properties also make it beneficial for reducing pollution levels. Well, that covers all the scientifically proven benefits of neem leaves. Now let's explore the frequently asked questions of these special medicinal leaves. Question 1. Which disease is cured by neem? Neem is used to address various diseases, including skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It also supports conditions like diabetes, arthritis, and certain gastrointestinal issues. Additionally, neem is being studied for its potential in managing cancer and viral infections. Question 2. What happens if we eat neem leaves daily? Eating neem leaves daily in moderation can improve immunity, detoxify the body, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote healthier skin and digestion. However, excessive consumption may cause adverse effects, so moderation is key. Question 3. Is neem safe to take daily? Neem is generally safe for daily use in moderate amounts, such as neem tea or capsules. Prolonged high doses may lead to side effects like liver damage or gastrointestinal upset. Consult a healthcare provider before regular consumption. Question 4. Does neem leaf grow hair? Yes, neem leaves can promote hair growth by improving scalp health. Their antifungal and antibacterial properties reduce dandruff and infections, creating a healthier environment for hair follicles. Question 5. What is the negative effect of neem? Excessive neem consumption may lead to side effects like nausea, low blood sugar, liver issues, or in rare cases, infertility. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid neem as it may induce complications. Question 6. Is neem good for the skin? Absolutely. Neem is excellent for skincare, helping with acne, reducing inflammation, and promoting wound healing. Its antibacterial properties make it a natural solution for many skin issues. Question 7. How to take neem leaves. Neem leaves can be consumed as a tea, chewed fresh, ground into a paste for topical application, or taken in capsule form. They can also be boiled to create a neem-infused water rinse for hair and skin. Question 8. Can I drink neem water every day? Yes, you can drink neem water daily in moderation to detoxify the body and boost immunity. However, prolonged use should be monitored to avoid potential side effects. Question 9. Is neem good for the liver? Neem is beneficial for the liver due to its detoxifying properties. It helps reduce liver enzyme levels and supports overall liver health when used in moderation. Question 10. Can I boil neem leaves? Yes, boiling neem leaves is a common practice. The resulting neem-infused water can be used for drinking, as a hair rinse, or as a natural skin toner. Question 11. Who shouldn't take neem? Pregnant and breastfeeding women, young children, and individuals with certain health conditions like low blood sugar or liver disease should avoid neem or consult a doctor before use. Question 12. Can I bathe with neem leaves daily? Bathing with neem leaves is safe and beneficial for skin health. It helps reduce body acne, infections, and irritation. Simply boil the leaves in water, let it cool, and use it for bathing. Question 13. Is neem good for eyes? Neem can soothe tired eyes and may help with mild infections. Neem water or neem extracts are sometimes used in traditional remedies for eye health, but consult a doctor for serious conditions. Question 14. Can neem remove dark circles? Neem's anti-inflammatory and skin rejuvenating properties may help reduce dark circles. Apply a paste made from neem leaves around the eyes for visible improvement over time. Question 15. How to use neem? Neem can be used in various forms: fresh leaves for chewing, paste for topical applications, boiled water for rinses, or as capsules and powders for internal use. Question 16. Can we apply neem directly on the face? Yes, you can apply neem paste or neem oil directly to the face to treat acne, reduce scars, and enhance skin texture. Always perform a patch test before use. Question 17. Does neem oil expire? Yes, neem oil has a shelf life. Typically, it lasts about 1 to 2 years if stored properly in a cool, dark place. Always check for rancid smells or changes in texture before use. Question 18. How do you mix neem with water? Boil neem leaves in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and use it for drinking, as a skin toner, or as a hair rinse. Question 19. What is the ratio of neem to water? For neem water, boil about 10 to 15 neem leaves in 1 liter of water. Adjust the concentration based on your intended use. Question 20. How do you wash your face with neem water? After preparing neem water, let it cool. Use it as a natural facial rinse, gently splashing it on your face or applying it with a cotton pad for refreshed and healthier skin. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.